Hola mis amigos, how are we doing today? I hope that you guys have had a wonderful vacation and now it's time to get back to work, right? So today we're going to be making this little snowman book and I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed the read aloud that I attached to this lesson. So you were supposed to listen to that story first and now we're going to do this. So you're going to need some crayons or colored pencils, you're going to need a pencil, and you're going to need your book. And make sure that you have it like this, because when you open it the words are like this, and that's what page 1 is. So make sure you don't have it upside down this way, make sure you have it like this. Okay, so today we're not going to complete the book, we're just going to do a front cover, but we are going to go ahead and read the book together. So let's go ahead and do this with your book, and we're going to just read the snowman book. Okay, I am a little snowman. I am so fat and round. Next page. Ready? I started as a snowflake that fell upon the ground. Next page. I have 2 buttons for my eyes, a great big scarf of red. I have a carrot for a nose, a hat upon my head. Watch me as I melt to the ground. So at the very end he gets to melt. What does he turn into? What does the snowman turn into when he melts? Water, right? Alright, so in the front we're going to put a title, and I think I remember saying we're going to call it Snowman Book. So grab your pencil and you want to start at the very end over here. We're going to go from here going that way. So we're going to start with a capital S, lowercase n, and if I'm going too fast you guys can pause the video. So lowercase n, O. So right now we have snow, we need a W. And snowman is one word together, so we're going to write man. And snowman. And then down here, I don't think I'm going to be able to fit book right here, so I'm going to do it right here. Capital B, O, O, and make sure those are lowercase o's, and then a lowercase k. Snowman book. Now at the very bottom down here you can write your name with your pencil. Don't write it really big because we have to leave some space in the middle before our drawing. Whoops. This program is messing up. Okay, so that's my name. Make sure you write your name. And you're going to grab your white crayon or your white colored pencil, and don't go up too high, kind of get close to where your name is. The closer you get to your name, the more space you'll have. And you're going to do a wiggly, squiggly line, kind of like that, to show the floor where the snow is falling and there's lots of snow. So we're going to go ahead and color that in. And just try not to color where you need so you can see your name. And that's our snow. I'm pretty sure that you guys already know how to make a snowman, so that's what we're going to do next. After you're done doing that, we're going to draw 3 circles on top of each other. I'm going to start with the first one right here. Here's one circle. Now it looks like an 8. And the top circle, right? And we're going to color all of those in. Snowman book has to be about a snowman, so we need to color it in to make sure it looks like a snowman. Alright, there's my snowman. Alright, now if you remember in the book, it said I started as a snowflake. Okay, so I have 2 buttons for my eyes. So you can make the eyes whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this dark color, which is like a purple. And I'm going to make the 2 eyes. and color those in. And then it said he has a carrot for a nose, so that's why I took my orange out here, because I knew I was going to have an orange nose. And you can just make that like a little stick or a triangle. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of dark in here, but see, I just kind of made it like a stick. And then let's put a smile. I don't know, I'll just do a green because I don't have any other color. Alright, and then he's supposed to be wearing a hat on his head. So, I think, oh, you know what? I know. A great big scarf of red. So we gotta do a scarf. So I'm gonna use the red. And this is the way I make a scarf. I make like a skinny rectangle. And I color that in around his neck. And then on one side, I draw 2 lines. And then he's got little tassels hanging from his scarf. So let me show you that kind of close so you can see how I did it. Alright, now we gotta put a hat on him, so let's see. I guess I'll use the dark green. And you can do your hat however you want on your snowman. I'm just gonna do a straight line. You know, that kind of shape, and then I'm just gonna color it in. And I guess the last thing we need is some arms. And I forgot to take out a brown. So if you have brown, oh, here are my colors. Let's see if I can find a brown. This Coriano is blind. I can't see anything. There you go. Here's some brown. So then we just make some crooked lines for, sometimes we make snowmen with branches, right? So that's it. So you just made the front cover of the snowman book. Make sure you put this in your red basket tomorrow because we're going to use it every single day and we're going to go through the book together and we're going to draw pictures. So make sure you get this done, alright? And that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow.